Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix if Windows Spotlight feature is not working on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So currently I'm on a Windows 11 system, and as you can see that if I go to the settings app, then personalization, and then select background. After this, if I select Windows Spotlight, the wallpaper changes to the Windows Spotlight image, but the image is very outdated. It's not shuffling to the new images on the everyday basis for which the feature has been designed. So in short, the Windows Spotlight is stuck on the same image, and that is an outdated image, and no new images are being provided by the feature on this device. So how to fix this situation if you are also facing the same problem? Let's see. So we will start with solution number 1. Simply set the personalize your background option to picture. Then you can minimize the settings app. Do a right click on the start button and select run. In run window, paste this location from the video description and press the enter key. Now when the file explorer opens with assets folder, all you need to do is select all the content in this folder and delete them. So here I selected all the files and simply do a right click and select delete and make sure that the folder is empty. After this, you can go back to the settings app and switch back to the Windows Spotlight. You will still see the same image, but now you have to restart your system. And after restarting the system, you should be able to see the Windows Spotlight latest image. In case if the issue still persists, you can try solution number 2. In this case, we will simply right click on the start button and select terminal admin. Click yes in the user account control confirmation prompt. When the terminal admin opens to Windows PowerShell, paste this command from the video description and press the enter key. Now this command, if executed without any red errors, this means the Windows Spotlight feature has been re-registered on your system. And hopefully the feature, if it was broken, now should be fixed and you should have this issue resolved. After this, make sure that you restart your system. If previous solutions didn't work, you can try solution number 3. And in this case, I suggest to simply check for the latest updates available to you. Right click on the start button and select settings. In the settings app, go to Windows Update. And once you are on the Windows Update page, simply click on check for updates and download and install the latest updates available to you. In case if no new updates are available, you can simply turn on the option get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Then we have solution number 4. Simply press Windows plus R and in the run dialog box, type or paste this command from the video description and press the enter key. Now this will open the roaming folder in the file explorer. Here click on the view and then click show and then select hidden items. Then go to Microsoft folder. Inside Microsoft folder, just double click on the Windows folder and then go to the themes folder. Here you will be able to locate cached files named folder. All you need to do is make sure that this folder is empty. Delete all the content inside this folder and see if the issue is resolved with the Windows Spotlight feature. And lastly, we have solution number 5. So in case if you are on a Pro edition or Enterprise edition of Windows 11 and not on the Windows 11 Home edition, you can try this group policy solution. Simply right click on the start button and select run. In run window, type gpedit.msc and click OK. In the local group policy editor window, go to user configuration, administrative templates, control panel, and then personalization. Inside the personalization folder, you should be able to locate the group policy setting named prevent changing desktop background. All you need to do is make sure that this policy is not set to enabled. In case if it is set to enabled, either set it to not configured or disabled. Better if you set it to disabled and click apply followed by OK. And after this, restart your system to make the changes effective. In case if your system is part of an organization, you can ask your IT admin to perform these steps for you. In case if the issue still persists, Do let me know in your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and I'll see you in the next video.